Alright, so this is the quick review, and this is a Cartesian coordinate plane. So this is the first lesson here of Unit 5. And so don't forget, a Cartesian plane is also called a coordinate plane or a rectangular coordinate plane. Of course, the plane is broken up by two axes. The horizontal axis, the red one here, is the x-axis, and the vertical axis, the green one there, is the y-axis, right? Don't forget the intersection of those two intersect at a point we call the origin, right? The origin. Now, every point can be located in the Cartesian plane by a set of coordinates. The first coordinate corresponds to the x, and the second coordinate corresponds to the y. And so this is called an ordered pair because there's an order. X comes first and y comes second. The horizontal coordinate comes first. The vertical coordinate comes second. Also, these two axes break up the plane into four quadrants. Quad 1, where would you put it? Hope you're thinking upper right. Quad 2 is upper left. Quad 3, bottom left. And quad 4 is bottom right. Okay, and we usually use Roman numerals to show our quadrants. Okay, so everybody should be able to locate points in a plane or give the coordinates of the point. So if you look at point A, and you can see point A is right here, what would you think the coordinates are for point A? What are the coordinates for point A? All right, and so hopefully you're thinking 4, 1, right? The x coordinate is 4, and the y coordinate is 1. Notice that they're in parentheses. That's proper notation. Okay, how about the B? B is located in quadrant 2. Do you see it there? All right, and so what are the coordinates of point B? And hopefully you're thinking negative 3, 4, right? It's really important that you think as we go through these. That'll help you out. All right, so let's just fly through these. Point C is in quad 3, and its coordinates are, and hopefully you're thinking negative 4, negative 2. Point D is in quad 4, and its coordinates are point D, and hopefully you're thinking 4, negative 2. All right, and then you've got point L. How about point L? Point L is not in any quadrant. It is located along the y-axis. And if you want to be more, along the x-axis. And if you want to be more specific, you could say the negative portion of the x-axis. All right, but it is on the x-axis. And so therefore its coordinates are negative 4, 0. Negative 4, 0. All right, one last thought here with quadrants, or with Cartesian coordinate plane. What if you're given a problem like this? Given the point negative 8, 15, find a point 4 units left and 3 units up. Well, you don't have to have a Cartesian plane big enough to graph it to figure it out. You just need to understand that the x represents the horizontal, left or right, and the y represents the vertical, up or down. So because of that, this says 4 units left. All right, left and right. Left is negative, and right is positive. So I want to go 4 units to the left from a negative 8. Where would I end up? And hopefully you're thinking at negative 12. Okay, there's the x coordinate. Now the y coordinate, I go up 3. Now, when you're talking up or down, up is positive, so that's a positive 3. We had a 15. Where do we end up? At 18. Pretty simple problem if you understand that the x coordinate deals with left or right, and the right coordinate deals with up or down. All right, Cartesian plane, coordinate plane.